What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point, when we had a huge opportunity to retest this red line, and it is the bottom of the third wave on a greater scale, and I've told you that if we will break this range, definitely we will see higher targets, but the breakout should be not like this one, because we didn't have any candles that were opened and closed below this range. Instead of this, we have on pre-market hours just a week below this range, and we had an immediate bounce. And as you can see, we had this range as a very good support. We bounced back from this level, and on top of that, on the most recent session, we have very good movement to the upside for more than 12%, and it has a very good structure and it has a very good volume. Definitely it is a good bullish sign, but in my technical analysis I will show you what should you expect from the price action and how can you benefit from it. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you this article. It was published on March the 8th and it's titled "Electric Vehicle Stocks Reap Gains as Oil Battle Rages On." And let me quote you this. News that the Biden administration plans to ban Russian oil has sent a large part of the electric vehicle sector into a higher gear on Tuesday. That follows news that Russian Deputy Prime Minister Alexander Novak threatened to cut off gas supply to Europe if governments sanction energy imports. Novak claimed oil prices could surge past $300 a barrel if those scenarios play out for an extended period. And definitely, as you can see, Lucid has a huge movement to the upside for more than 7%. And on top of that, let me show you that the share price gain on Tuesday came even with rising concerns in the sector over the impact of higher prices and supply constraints for key metals needed for electric batteries. So definitely the oil prices are the main catalyst for now for the majority of sectors. On top of electric vehicle sector, we have a huge spike in prices of energy stocks. And I also covered some of them, and probably I will do more updates on these stocks. But for now, let me show you the total sentiment for the markets. As you can see, S&P 500 lost about 0.72%, Dow Jones lost about 0.5%, Nasdaq lost about 0.28%, Russell 2000 gained about 0.6%, and the crude oil prices gained about 1.36%, and for now it is $125.38 per barrel. Definitely it is extremely high price, and definitely for now we have a lot of storms on the markets on different sectors. And let me show you another news. Right here on Motley Fool we have the major news that will drive the price of Lucid in the long term, and definitely it is a Saudi Arabia new plant, and I have to say that Saudi Arabia use their oil money to reinvest in different sectors, and definitely because of high oil prices for now they will benefit from this situation and they will reinvest more heavily into different sectors, probably into EV sector as well. And let me show you that according to latest Lucid Motors report, they have more than $6.2 billion cash on hand, and definitely they have enough money to operate for a couple of years and to realize all of their plans. So, and let me show you their official Twitter page. As you can see, on March the 4th they posted this tweet, and it says MP1 Phase 2 goes vertical, 2.85 million more square feet of EV manufacturing space coming up for Lucid Air and Project Gravity. And definitely it is a huge milestone for this company because they expand their presence in Arizona, in Casa Grande, Arizona, and definitely it will increase their production rates. And let me show you that they mentioned their Project Gravity, and according to this information that was made right after their earnings report, Let me quote you this. On the product front, Lucid made official that it's delaying the launch of the upcoming Gravity SUV by a few months to the first half of 2024. Peter Rawlinson, CEO of Lucid, was sanguine about the delay, and he said, "I just want to make it a better product," Rawlinson said in a Q&A session with journalists. "I'm super excited about how disruptive an SUV this is going to be," he later added. "It's taken a few more twists and turns in its development to make it even better than we'd anticipated," explained Rawlinson, who hinted that Gravity would be a part of a feedback loop with the Air in which both products will be improved. "And we're going to have an ultra-high efficiency SUV which nobody has ever done before." And definitely next product, the launch of their next product will be a massive catalyst. But for now we have more uncertainty on the markets because of the oil prices, and definitely the total sentiment of the market is driving the price of this asset. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we have very good bounce from this range. And as you can see, we hit first of all the range of support / resistance. Right here it acts as a resistance because everything that was a support becomes a resistance and vice versa. And we had a pullback, then with a good volume, as you can see we have very good volume, we broke this range to the upside, and for now we are hovering exactly at this range. And if in upcoming session we will continue this movement to the upside and we will close on a greater scale on for example on hourly time frame or probably on a 4 hours time frame, we will see the candle that will be opened and closed above this range. Definitely it will be a very good bullish sign, because from the technical standpoint we went from this lowest point, we went higher, then broke this resistance, retested from the top, and probably we might see next leg to the upside. And if it is the case, we have to see the good volume with this movement to the upside, and the next range where we might land might be this previous swing high. Definitely it is the next range of resistance right here at $28.53. But the most probable range is roughly $30 price point, because on the one hand it is the round number and it is a good psychological number to hit $30 price point, and on top of that it is a very good confluence with the previous swing high. So if it is the case, and if we won't hit this range again, if we won't retest it in upcoming sessions, definitely this movement to the upside will give you up to 23% of upside potential with this asset. So I have to say that from the fundamental standpoint, this asset is still very attractive, and if your investment horizon is more than 1.5 or 2 years, you can accumulate your position all the way down when this asset moves south. And this approach will give you much more attractive average price with this asset, and this will lead to much higher profits in the future. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!